Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to tackle an interesting problem from Leetcode called intersection of two arrays second. This is common interview question that tests your understanding of array and hash map. Let's dive right in. Let's understand the problem statement. Given two integer array num1 and num2, we need to find their intersection. Each element in the result should appear as many times as it shows in both arrays. The order of the element in the result doesn't matter. Let's look at an example to clarify. Num1 in the list 1, 2, 2, 1 and num2 has 2 and 2 in the list. In output we get 2 and 2. Here the number 2 appears twice in both arrays, so it should appear twice in the result. To solve this problem, we can use a hash map or dictionary to keep track of the frequency of each element in the first array. Then we iterate through the second array and for each element. If it exists in our hash map and its frequency is greater than 0, we add it to our result and decrease its frequency in the hash map. This way, we ensure that each element appears in the result as many times as it does in both arrays. Let's write the code. From collection, import default dictionary. From typing, import list. Here is the function interaction in the class. Let's complete the code. Here result as a res is equal to in the list frequency equal to default dictionary in integer value. We count the frequency of each element. In number 1, for that we write for num in num1 frequency in the list num increment by 1. For each element in num2, if it in the frequency dictionary and its count is greater than 0, then we add it to the result and decrease its count in the dictionary. For that, for num in num2, if num in frequency and frequency of num is greater than 0. In result, append num value. Frequency of num decrease by 1. In return, we get ratio. Here we start. Let's understand the code in briefly. We start by importing default dictionary from the collection module and list from the typing module. Then we define the class solution and method. We define class with the method intersect that take two lists as integer and input. We initialize an empty list res to store the result. Then we use default dictionary to create a frequency dictionary FREQ that will store the count of each element in num1. We then iterate through each element in num1 and update its count in the frequency dictionary. Then we iterate through each number in num2. If the number exists in the frequency dictionary and its count is greater than 0, we add it to the result list res and decrease its count in the dictionary. Then finally we return the result list res. And that's it. This code efficiently finds the intersection of two arrays considering the frequency of each element. Let's run the code. Okay, it accepted. If you have any question or if there any problem you have like us to tackle, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorial. Thanks for watching. Let's submit the code also. Okay, it's also challenge was accepted and we complete the 186 days stay. Thank you.